State Health Ministry has said that strong surveillance is needed for the upcoming local body polls. The warning message of the Health Ministry comes as the number of COVID-19 patients in the state crossed 5 lakh. 287 persons succumbed to the pandemic in the last 11 days. The increase in death rates even among COVID-19 survivors has raised concerns of health workers. Therefore, the government is determined to take strong measures to prevent rapid spread of the pandemic in the wake of local body polls. On Wednesday, the total COVID-19 cases in the state crossed 5 lakh. As of now, 5,02,719 cases were confirmed in the state. On September 11, the state's COVID-19 cases crossed 1 lakh. The number spiked to 5 lakh within 2 months. The health minister asked people to be cautious in the wake of the rapid spread of the pandemic. Among the 5 lakh COVID cases, 4,22,410 persons have recovered. Even when the COVID-19 cases spiked to 5 lakhs, only 1,771 persons succumbed to the pandemic. When other states have a high death rate in Kerala is just 0.35%. The clusters formed after Onam celebrations is a reason for the current spread of the pandemic. Experts opine that even though only 5 lakh cases were confirmed, at least 20 times more persons might have contracted and recovered from the disease. Even though the death rates are low, about 25 death cases on an average are recorded in the state per day. Unofficial data shows more than 200 deaths. The number of cases of recovered patients who turn critical and even die are increasing in the state. The first COVID-19 case was reported in Kerala on January 30, but it took 3 months for the pandemic cases to reach 500. And it reached 1 lakh mark after 5 months on September 11. 2 months after that, cases crossed 4 lakh. Health Minister K K Shailaja has said the situation in the state is such that anybody could contract the pandemic. Therefore, everybody should take caution and all should strictly adhere to the regulations imposed by the Health Ministry for the safe conduct of local body polls. Social distancing norms should be followed. A mask should be worn and everybody should sanitize their hands. If everybody follows the norms, then this pandemic could be regulated from further spread, the minister said. Meanwhile, in Delhi, the pandemic has entered the stage of super spread. On Wednesday, the per-day increase in cases was all-time high. 8,593 cases were recorded on Wednesday in Delhi. AIIMS Director Randeep Guleria has already said that the virus has entered into super spread phase in Delhi, and last day's statistics proves his prediction right. However, the number of recovery cases in the country has crossed 80 lakh. Recovery rate is 93%, even though the total number of cases is 87 lakh. Those who are undergoing treatment are less than 5 lakh. News Desk, Kaunti English.